How to set device limit in TP-Link router. Alright guys, so your first step would be to simply open up the router settings. So connect to your Wi-Fi, then open a browser and go to your router's IP address. The common IPs would be 192.168.0.1. And then once you're there, go ahead and simply log into the admin panel. So enter your router username and password to log in. Once you have, head into connected devices. So find the list of connected devices under wireless or clients. And then once the list has been pulled out, all you need to do is just go ahead and limit or block those devices. So to limit the devices, you can block unknown ones or restrict access using a MAC filter. So you can make use of the filter and restrict some connections. Now you could also try using parental controllers by using some TP-Link routers that allow you to limit how many devices can be connected using a parental control or access control feature. And then you could also use the TP-Link Tether app. So just open up the TP-Link Tether app to easily manage and block devices from your phone. And then once you're done, just go ahead and save and test it. You could also limit the device connections using a connection management setting. All right,